That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
I pull up.
Hello, bozo.
Was that the bite of 87? 87? Bite of it? Nope.
Alright, so I'm gonna end this one here. I'm gonna be doing more videos like this. This one had no commentary because this was straight from my PC and I streamed it. So, you will be seeing more of this, with the boys, me and the boys, just in general, each other. It'll be hella fun, and, this is, actually, like, the first video I've ever done, so, just be ready for content like this. Cool.